Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back to share with you guys the things that I picked up from Michael's. So I went to Michael's last week. I got some gift cards for my birthday as well as, no, it was just for my birthday. It wasn't for Mother's Day, just for my birthday. And I got them from different people and they were to Michael's. And so I was like, well, I'm going to go to Michael's and see what they have. And so last week I went to Michael's because Michael's had an additional 20% off coupon, I believe it was, even sale price stuff. So I went and I found a few things and I wanted to share it with you. So first thing, I picked up this magical postcards kit, and this was actually on sale for $1, and then it was an additional 20% off, so it came up to be 80 cents. And it had some really cute little postcards like "Let's Be Mermaids," and they're actual postcards, guys. It has this one with the unicorn, and I took one out because I did use one on a project that I had to send off. This one says, "Your sparkle has not gone unnoticed." I love that. This one with a little mermaid, excuse the glare, but there is like a what is it called? You know, this, whatever this is. I can't even remember what it's called right now. This one says Unicorn Believer, and this one says I Sweat Glitter. So I love this little postcard set. So again, this was 80 cents. And then I found this was on clearance, and this was $5.97, and this is craft board, but it's in a white color, and it was by it's the Cricut brand, and it's a really thick, it feels like poster board almost, but I don't know, a little bit thicker than poster board maybe. But I figured I would pick this up to try it with my Cricut Maker to see how well it will cut these, boxes and different things like that. So I went on and picked that up, and it was only $5.97. I don't believe I got an additional 20% off of that because it was on clearance. And then I picked up this. I thought this was so cute. It says, "Roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn." It was also 80 cents. And this is a 4-pack of cards, and it does have the envelopes as well. So my plan for this is to make a shaker out of the front of this and then send those off to some crafty friends. I saw these on someone's channel. I can't remember exactly who. It might have been Sharing More. But who, I think it was her. I think I saw them colored up, and I thought they were super cute. And I love the little skates in this pack and the little animal balloons, but I really love the little skates. I thought those were so cute. But she colored them up, and once she colored them up, I was like, okay, I can see it. I can see it. Really cute. So these were, I believe these were 50% off and then an additional 20, or they may have been 60% off and then an additional 20. I can't remember, but they came up pretty cheap. I also picked up this, and this was $1.49, and I like this because of the little calendars. And as you guys know, I'm supposed to be working on my little books for my grandbaby for every month, and I wanted to put one of these little calendars somewhere inside of there to mark off the day and the month for the book. But these were $1.49, so I went on and picked those up. I also picked up these super teeny tiny pom-poms. I just thought they were so cute. Oh my gosh. And so I just went on and picked those up for some crafty projects. I picked up this size pom-pom as well. These were not on sale, and I believe I may have used a 40 or 50% off coupon, but they were inexpensive to begin with, so I just went on and picked those up. The backyard stuff, I believe it was 60% off and then an additional 20%, so I picked up this, and I thought it was really cute to make little background like tags and stuff like that, to make a little background paper. And then I saw this, and I couldn't leave it behind. It's like little jars of like little shaker jars, and then even the little butterflies and stuff are super cute down here. And so this, I believe it was 60% off and then an additional 20% off. I also picked up this was only $2.99, and I picked it up mainly for these dies up here, but you get the dies and the stamps, and they were on clearance for $2.99, so not a bad deal at all. And I guess I'll show you guys this. This is my Spellbinders Die of the Month for May. and I am in the small die group. And this one says thank you, hello, smile, and celebrate. And they're just like these little words that you can stick inside of a card. If you see that there, that's what they look like. Really cute. So that is that. I guess I stuck it down inside of my bag. So let me just put this back really quick and show you guys what I went and found today. Because I did go back today because, like I said, Scrap Diva 29 sent me her coupon. And her coupon was for an additional 25% off all sales stuff. And so that was a little bit better than my coupon. And like I said, I still had gift cards, so I just went for it. I picked up these Chanel pipe cleaners in these really pretty pastel colors. I did see a lady do these really, really pretty Chanel animals, like Chanel pipe cleaner animals, and I wanted to try them out. She sent them to Rosa, who is Rosa's Creative Way here on YouTube, and they were so pretty. And if I find her video, I will link it down below so you guys, I know I have her video because I actually put it, saved it in my favorites so that I can try to make the little animals that she made. But I also picked it up in this tan color as well. I also picked up more of these smooth foam balls, and these I picked up for my little ice cream cones. And yeah, this is going to be a great size, so that is the way that's going to look. So I plan to work on some ice cream cones soon, and I will share those with you guys when I get finished with them. I also picked up some of this confetti just because it was on clearance for $1.99, and it's really pretty. I picked that up, and I believe that is a rebuy because I think I have some of that already. I picked up these. These were, I believe, 50 or 60% off, and then an additional 25% off. So great deal for all of these enamel effects paints. And I believe you can make like the enamel dots with these, but I wanted to try them out, and since they were such a good deal, I just went on and picked them up. I also picked up some of these. These were on sale for $1, and then they were 25% off, so they were 75 cents. So I could not pass that up, so I went on and picked that up. I did pick up all of these because I never picked these up before, and I figured for 75 cents, why not? This is the, I guess, Stuck on You. I don't know. It's with the little prickly thingy. I can't even remember what that's called. Cactus. Oh my gosh. So it was 75 cents. The Little Mermaid was 75 cents. This one has a little sticker on it. The llama was 75 cents. And then the pineapple one was 75 cents as well. So I went on and picked those up. Those are great even if you just want to just give them away. I picked up more of these, and I believe I have all of these. So if I do, they're going to go in my giveaway pile. But I just could not pass them up for 75 cents. So I picked up these, and these are the embossing folders with a stamp. Better than AliExpress. Cannot beat it. Love this one. And I picked up this one. So picked up those. And then I did pick up a couple of rebuys on the stamps. I never picked up this one. I thought this Hey Sweet Stuff one was really cute, so I went on and picked that one up. I never picked up this one, and I love this saying, be unique. So I picked that up. I did pick these up before, but I love these because I just think they make awesome friend mail. So I picked up a couple of those. And then I picked up this one, When Life Gives You Lemons, Make Lemonade. I didn't pick up this one before. And then this one, Believe in Your Dreams. And these were all 75 cents. Let's see. Oh, here's the other Hello Friend. Those are just really great for Happy Mail. I also picked up this twine in the black and white. It just reminds me of Maggie Holmes stuff, so I went on and picked it up. It was $2.99. And then I picked up this Cheeky Modern Pop, but this is the one that is the embossed paper pad. And I just thought it was so cute. Let's see. Might not be able to see this very well. But it's just the embossed paper. And this one has the unicorns. I just thought this would be really cute to use to cut out for tags. This has the cherries. This one I fell in love with. It's a very light pink ice cream cone. I just thought that was so cute. And then this one has the lemons on it, and it says juicy. That is so pretty, but they're already embossed. And again, like I said, this was either 50 or 60% off, and then an additional 25% off. So I picked that up. I accidentally picked up another one of these, but today this was only $3, so not a bad deal at all. I picked up this, and guys, this was only, it was 80 cents. It rang up 80 cents, and then it rang up 25% off of 80 cents. So I just could not leave these behind. So I thought that was really cute. And they literally only had one of each one of these, or else I would have just racked up. Because this is definitely something that you could send in the mail to a friend. It wouldn't cost much postage at all. And it's just a great gift. And I really like this one for this flower die right here. And the leaf die, actually. So 80 cents and then an additional 25% off. This one I picked up, and I believe this one was 60% off. And I just thought it was a really pretty flower, so I wanted to try that out. And so it was, I believe it was 60% off and then an additional 25% off. And last but not least, this paper pad here came up 80 cents. It's the Coastal Village, and I'll do a little flip through on it. It is a double-sided paper, and it was 80 cents and then 25% off 80 cents. I thought this would be really pretty to make some bows out of because it is double-sided, and I have a new bow die. This one is really pretty. It's like lemons. I'm like really into like the lemons for the summertime. Just so pretty and cheerful. But yeah, you can make some bows and stuff out of this because it's double-sided and it has like a really nice small print to it. And it was only 80 cents and additional 25% off. The other one that I got, which goes with that paper, is this one, and it was the embossed paper stack. And I love the embossed paper. So pretty. This would be pretty as an ice cream cone base. And then it has the pineapples. And it also has this one. This one reminds me of like a really pretty backsplash or something like that. That's so pretty. So I got that one. And then I also got this one. Yeah, it's a little different from the first one. So this was the first one here. And then this is the other one. And again, this was the same price. This one is not double-sided. And it has like different patterns. It's so pretty. It reminds me of a kitchen. I'm not into this because I'm not into like the realistic photos or whatever. But the other paper is really pretty. And for the price, I just could not pass it up. It has some cut-aparts in it. And these pretty flamingos, and this is gorgeous paper here, and I just love the lemon paper. So pretty. I almost picked up more than one of these because of the lemon paper, because they did have a couple of these pads. So I believe, yep, that is it. We have come to the end of my haul video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.